Yes, this is the floor that had to be ripped out because of the dishwasher leaking. So we're gonna put the new dishwasher in today. You take off the sound insulation of a dishwasher and you'll discover that the main carcass of the dishwasher is just, this is just like a consistency of a plastic garbage can. And we'll show you the bottom. This is the pump that pumps out the dirty water to this hose, winds all around the side of the dishwasher, and then goes to this, which goes underneath the sink through that hole and into the side of the garbage disposal, which I have plugged up right now because we have no dishwasher hooked up to it. And here's the supply line where the water comes into, right? And it goes into the bottom of that cabinet and hooks up to the hot water side. And then wired into this box is the power cord that we have hooked up to a plug-in to a dedicated outlet. You notice on the bottom it says dishwasher and on the top it says disposal. Both of those outlets are on separate circuits back at the circuit breaker because, well, that's code and that's what you got to do. And while it's still on its back, you'll notice these steel supports, kind of a mini exoskeleton, is on the front of the dishwasher to support the door, and then on the bottom to support all the gizmos and gadgets. But on the back of the dishwasher, there's nothing there. You really don't need any support on that part. Get it ready to put in the hole. Open this up just a second. And there are two ways to fasten the dishwasher. Oh, need some oil. This is for the top underneath the counter. But I'm not gonna do that because this is a quartz countertop. We're gonna go on the side. We're gonna take that side clip and we're gonna put it into the side of the cabinet right here. So this clip goes into this little side slit. And you're like, how does that stay in there? Well, all you have to do is take the bottom tab, bend it over just like that, and then it's in. And that's all we're using to fasten this entire dishwasher, is this screw on this side and, you know, one over on the other. Maybe get it off of the rug here. That's gonna be in the way. So since we had to cut the wall off on the other side, we can get a back door view. Okay, so everything's gonna go in the hole over there. Put the insulation back on. So you can wash your dishes while you have company near the dishwasher. I don't understand. Okay, I will slide it in slowly. Good. It's pretty good. Everybody needs to have an access panel behind their dishwasher, especially to see if it's leaking, right? So here's the insulation. And then there's, you know, the hole going to the back of the cabinet underneath the kitchen sink. We're gonna adjust the little feet in the back here. I took the ones in the front off, just that one. We'll get a level, go to the front, see if it's plumb. So I think the perfect depth to put the dishwasher is if you have the body of the dishwasher at the very back of the face frame, and then you screw it in through that bracket right there, and then we'll snap off the rest of it. Just those screws. Yep. That's good. That's the perfect depth. So you can see just the very edge, but you can't see the buttons. And we will hook the drain up to the garbage disposal here. Tighten that up. And then this is supposed to kind of loop up a little bit. So I'm just gonna kind of jimmy rig it over here. So this is the cold, you know, and this is the hot for the kitchen sink, and this is kind of a dual outlet valve, because this one is gonna go to the dishwasher. Now we turn it on to see if it leaks. Ready? Ooh, plug it in. Screw the toe kick on. All right, well that's it. Now I gotta get up. Thanks for watching. And we'll see you in the next video.